Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, created Python in 1991 and named it after the television program Monty Python's Flying Circus. Its simplicity, versatility, and community support have made Python a popular choice for developers worldwide. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Let's break down what that means. 1. Interpreted. Python code is executed line by line by an interpreter, rather than being compiled into machine code beforehand. This makes the edit test debug cycle incredibly fast, as there's no compilation step. 2. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming, OOP, principles. You can create and manipulate objects, organize code into classes, and use inheritance and polymorphism. 3. High-level. Python provides abstraction from low-level details, allowing developers to focus on solving problems without worrying about memory management or hardware specifics. 4. Dynamic semantics. Python's behavior can change at runtime based on context. It's dynamically typed, meaning variable types are determined during execution. Key features of Python include readable syntax. Python emphasizes code readability through significant indentation. This makes it easier to write and maintain programs. Built-in data structures. Python offers high-level data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets, making it attractive for rapid application development. Scripting and glue language. Python is often used as a scripting language to automate tasks or as a glue language to connect existing components together. Modules and packages. Python supports modularity and code reuse through modules and packages. Exception handling. When an error occurs, Python raises an exception instead of causing a segmentation fault. This simplifies debugging. Large standard library. Python comes with an extensive standard library, covering various domains like file I/O, networking, and web development.